Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about patriotism. Patriotism is the passion of doing everything for country and nation. This feeling of love can never be learned or taught. Our country is our identification, our pride, and a place of living with freedom. We should be patriotic and love our country and its people. To be patriotic, not only necessary to go for war and protect our country on borderline and devote our lives. This is the highest level of patriotism. We get reward as Ghazi and Shaheed. If we are sincere to our country, then being honest in any profession associated to us, we can give benefit to our country. This is also called patriotism. Life according to me.